Namaste. I'm Dr. Manoj Kumar. I'm an orthorobotic surgeon and sports medicine specialist. So today we are going to discuss about quick tips to relieve your knee joint pain. See, it's knee joint pain is a vague term. You understand that it comes to young age, middle age, old age. So how to reduce this type of pains? For young age, those who are playing more, those who are bones are not fused, but they are working more, they are running more, they have stress pains, they have growth plate pains. So this type of growth plates, when they are using it more, they're getting compressed, this type of pains will happen. So for this, actually, to take a proper nutrition, take a proper calcium tablets, and minimize your over usage in the joints. So this type of things will help you out to relieve your knee pain. And avoid jumping, and usually Osgood-Schlatters disease. Many of the young age adolescents has been seen this type of disease because of overgrowth and over jumping and over playing, overdoing of sports. So if you are calling it as overdoing it, then this pain will happen. If you give rest for some time and healing tablets for some time, this will get relieved so soon. So young age adolescent pains are like this. In middle age, usually in middle age, so many people will have knee joint pains or any other bone pains will be happen because of sitting in a same place for a long time or standing for a long time. So work related things, or seeing in the system in the same position for a long time. An abnormal position of your system or work ergonomics in your place will plays a major role. So for this tips will help you out to don't sit for a long time. Every 45 minutes take a break. And if you are standing, sit for just 10 minutes and just move for again. You can stand for a long time. If you are standing for a long time, sit for 10 minutes. If you are sitting for a long time, stand for 10 minutes. So change your posture. What we call it as changing posture will help you out to not to get spasms on the back, and not to get joint will get complete nutrition will be less, because when you are sitting for a long time. So usually you can see this in this joint. If you are sitting for a long time, the joint is like this complete in gravitation. So if you are dropping some other object, it will get drops on the ground because it's a gravitational effect. This complete synovial fluid, after some time, it slowly comes down and settle here. So what happens to the top part of this joint? So it will get dried. When you are standing up, when you are sitting down, this will get rubbed with the dry joints and get some flakes. This is called osteomalacia changes and all. So this type of problems will be seen in the middle-aged people. Most of the middle-aged people, working people, has been seen. So change your posture oftenly, expose to sunlight, and get your proper nutrition. More water will help you out with these problems. Next, last, the old age. So old age people has this, there are 2 to 3 types of problems. One is osteoporotic problem, one is arthritic changes problems. For this, I suggest them, most of them go for small exercises, and a regular change in your postures will help you a lot, because I told you previously also, middle-aged people, those who are sitting for a long time. In old age, they sit for a long time in the same place for a long time. So this will happen because of the same dry joints happens in the old age also. This wrap out or this rubbing on the joints will give the more pressure, more inflammation in the joints. This will give more pain in the joints too. So to avoid this, change in posture is required. For osteoporosis in the old age, you have to take enough supplements like collagen and enough water intake and expose to sunlight. This will help you for this osteoporosis at this old age. And doing proper exercises like quadriceps strengthening exercises and hamstring strengthening exercises. These are all 2 types of exercises. You can straighten your leg. So see, if your knee joint is like this, you straighten your leg for some time, make it straight and keep it up for 30 seconds and hold there for 30 seconds. Then your quadriceps and hamstring muscles will get strengthened, will have a core strengthening muscles. So which will bear all your weight on these muscles, not on the joints. You understand now? So not on the joints. Now on the muscles, it has been completely, your weights is transmitting to your muscle than your joints. So there is some reduction of the pain in joints, so that these tips will work for you for a long run. Those who are doing for a long time, these tips will work for you a long time. So for all the ages, I'm telling you, expose to sunlight, take plenty of water, take proper nutrition, eat in time, and don't sit in the same place for a long time, and expose to sunlight, and take D vitamin solutions, or take proper nutrition at right time and all. This will help you out to get rid of orthopedic problems, all orthopedic problems, and these tips will help you out to get rid of these orthopedic issues and all. Namaste.